You won't believe what this dish is made from. It's made from bottle gourd. It's so yummy. Here we have used 1/3 portion of a full bottle gourd. Cut it in pieces like it's shown in the video. Cut out the middle portion of the bottle gourd because we won't be using it in the recipe. Now cut the bottle gourd into smaller pieces so it becomes easier to grate. Use a grater to grate them very well. After grating the bottle gourd, add salt and mix them very well together. Salt is used to drain out the excess water from the bottle gourd. Now little by little drain out the water from the bottle gourd by squeezing it very well. After all the water is drained, then you have to add chopped onions to it. Next, add chopped green chilies. We have used 4 here. Use chilies according to your spice tolerance. Next, add 1.5 tablespoon of rice flour. Then 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour. Next, add very little salt to it as already we have used salt. Mix it all very well. To make the dough sticky, you have to use all-purpose flour aka moida or white flour aka atta. Combine all the ingredients together. After the ingredients are well combined, you have to fry them. Here we have used mustard oil. You can use any oil of your preference. In small batches, fry the bottle gourd balls until they become golden brown in color. Make sure the balls are fried equally on all sides. After they are nice and crispy and golden brown, set them aside on a different plate. You can eat these balls as it is. We're going to do something a little more. On a pan, add oil and fry the chopped onions. You don't have to make it golden brown. Just stir occasionally and cook the onions a little bit. Next, add some chilies to it. Stir and cook the onion and chilies. Next, you have to add some salt and then combine it well with the ingredients. After cooking them for a little while, it's time to add tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. Keep stirring and mix everything very well. Add little more tomato sauce or tomato ketchup if needed. Next, add little bit of water and stir it all. Add a little bit more water if you want to make the gravy less thick. Now it's finally time to add the bottle gourd balls. Stir it all and mix the bottle gourd balls with the gravy very well. After adding the bottle gourd balls, you don't have to cook it very long. Just mix the bottle gourd balls with the gravy and it's done cooking. Enjoy it with rice or you can also eat it as it is. It's one of my favorite dish to eat with rice. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe for more vegan recipes. Praying love and light your way. God bless you all.